away, but it was too late. The dry wood caught, her pants caught, her shirt caught, her long blonde hair blazed on her head like a crown. "Roland, I love thee!" At the end of her life, she was aware of heat, but not pain. She had time to consider his eyes, eyes of that blue which is the color of the sky at first light of morning. She had time to think of him on the drop, riding Rusher flat out with his black hair flying back from his temples and his neckerchief rippling. To see him laughing with an ease and freedom he would never find again in the long life which stretched out for him beyond hers. And it was his laughter she took with her as she went out, fleeing the light and heat into the silky, consoling dark, calling to him over and over as she went, calling bird and bear and hare and fish. 26. There was no word, not even no, in his screams at the end. He howled like a gutted animal, his hands welded to the ball, which beat like a runaway heart. He watched in it as she burned. Cuthbert tried again to take the cursed thing away and couldn't. He did the only other thing he could think of, drew his revolver, pointed it at the ball, and thumbed back the hammer.
Right.
He would likely wound Roland, and the flying glass might even blind him, but there was no other choice. If they didn't do something, the glam would kill him. But there was no need. As if seeing Cuthbert's gun and understanding.
Holy fuck. Go right.